Managing stress, anxiety, and depression involves a combination of lifestyle changes, coping strategies, and sometimes professional help. Here are some comprehensive tips and techniques to help manage these conditions, including mindfulness and meditation practices. #### tips for managing stress, anxiety, and depression. #####1. Lifestyle changes. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can boost mood and reduce stress. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid excessive caffeine, alcohol, and sugar. Sleep hygiene. Maintain a regular sleep schedule. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Avoid screens and stimulating activities before bedtime. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain energy and focus. #####2. Coping strategies. Set realistic goals. Break tasks into smaller steps and set achievable goals. This can help prevent feeling overwhelmed. Time management. Prioritize tasks and use tools like planners or apps to manage your time effectively. Social support. Stay connected with friends and family. Talking to someone you trust can provide comfort and perspective. Limit stressors. Identify and reduce sources of stress where possible. This might include decluttering your space, setting boundaries, or delegating tasks. ####3. Mindfulness and meditation techniques. Breathing exercises. Practice deep breathing to calm your mind. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Body scan meditation. Lie down comfortably and focus on different parts of your body, from toes to head, noticing any sensations or tension. Guided imagery. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful place. Visualize the details and immerse yourself in the calming environment. Mindful walking. Pay attention to the sensations of walking, the feeling of your feet on the ground, and the rhythm of your steps. Observe your surroundings without judgment. Progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and then slowly relax each muscle group in your body, starting from your toes and working up to your head. Gratitude practice. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day to focus on positive aspects of your life. Mindful eating. Eat slowly and savor each bite. Pay attention to the flavors, textures, and smells of your food. ####4. Professional help. Therapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and other forms of counseling can be very effective in treating anxiety and depression. Medication. In some cases, medication prescribed by a healthcare provider may be necessary. Support groups. Joining a support group can provide a sense of community and shared experience. ####5. Daily routine for mindfulness and meditation. 1. Morning routine. 5 minutes of deep breathing. Start your day with deep breathing exercises. 10 minutes of mindful stretching. Perform gentle stretches while focusing on your breath and body sensations. 2. Midday break. 5-minute meditation. Take a short break to meditate. Sit quietly, focus on your breath, and let go of any tension. 3. Evening routine. Gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for that happened during the day. 15 minutes of body scan meditation. Wind down before bed with a body scan meditation. ###mindfulness and meditation resources. Apps. Consider using apps like Headspace, Calm, or Insight Timer for guided meditations and mindfulness exercises. Books. The Miracle of Mindfulness by Thich Nhat Hanh. Wherever you go, there you are by Jon Kabat-Zinn. Online resources. Websites like Mindful.org and YouTube channels dedicated to mindfulness and meditation. Integrating these tips and techniques into your daily routine can significantly improve your ability to manage stress, anxiety, and depression. If you're experiencing severe symptoms, it's important to seek professional help.